Have you ever felt that sinking moment of disappointment, when an intimate moment ends far too soon, before it even truly begins? That quiet frustration, that unspoken fear, it doesn't just fade, it chips away at a man's confidence, one night at a time. But what if the answer to lasting longer, to reclaiming your strength and confidence, wasn't hidden in a pill, but in a glass of juice you could make right at home? Hi, I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, urologist and men's health specialist. Today, we're hosting a showdown, one that has been debated in the wellness world for years. On one side, beetroot juice, the nitrate powerhouse; on the other, watermelon juice, packed with L-Citrulline, nature's version of Viagra. Both claim to boost blood flow, both promise stamina, but one of them hides an unexpected advantage that could change everything for men over 60. And before the end of this video, I'll reveal which one truly deserves the title: the real Viagra juice. To understand this battle, you first need to meet the real hero behind the scenes, a molecule so powerful that scientists call it the miracle molecule. Its name is nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide like the gatekeeper of your blood vessels. When it appears, the gates open wide, allowing blood to surge freely, restoring energy, confidence, and performance when it's missing. Those same gates tighten, restricting flow and causing the frustration so many men quietly face. Now here's the twist. Both beetroot and watermelon help your body make more nitric oxide, but they do it through two completely different roads. One builds endurance and heart health over time. The other gives a quicker boost, but fades faster. In this video, we'll put them head-to-head, mechanism versus mechanism, science versus sensation, and at the end, I'll give you my professional verdict, which one wins the last longer showdown. So stay with me, because what you're about to learn might just change how you start your morning forever. Let's start with our first contender, beetroot juice, also known as the nitrate powerhouse. It might look humble, but inside every glass hides one of the most efficient nitric oxide factories in nature. Here's how it works. When you drink beetroot juice, the natural nitrates in it mix with the friendly bacteria in your mouth. Those bacteria transform nitrate into nitrite. And once it reaches your bloodstream, your body converts that nitrite into nitric oxide, the same molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. That means more oxygen, more nutrients, and yes, more blood flow exactly where you need it. In one study published in the American Journal of Physiology, older adults who drank beetroot juice daily showed significant improvements in blood flow to their muscles and heart, almost as if their circulation had turned back the clock. But the real secret is this: beetroot juice doesn't just boost you for one night. It builds your endurance over time. When your circulation improves consistently, your stamina, both in daily life and intimacy, starts to rise naturally. Think of it like this: beetroot doesn't light a spark. It keeps the fire burning. It strengthens the foundation, so every beat of your heart works smarter, not harder. That's why many athletes, even professional cyclists, use beet juice before races to last longer and recover faster. And for men over 60, that same endurance applies to the bedroom too. The difference is subtle but powerful. Steadier blood pressure, stronger morning circulation, and a more reliable response when it matters most. Still, beetroot isn't perfect. Its earthy taste turns some people away. And it takes time to build results. You won't feel it in an hour. It's a slow burn, not a lightning strike. But what if you could get a faster effect, something that gives you that boost right when you need it most? That's where our second contender steps in, the juicy, sweet challenger known for summer energy and instant flow, watermelon juice. Now, let's meet our second contender, watermelon juice, or as some call it, the citrulline engine. Unlike beetroot, watermelon doesn't rely on nitrates. Its secret weapon is an amino acid called L-Citrulline, most concentrated not in the red flesh we love, but in the white rind that most people throw away, inside your body. L-Citrulline transforms into L-arginine, which then produces nitric oxide, that same miracle molecule responsible for blood vessel relaxation and improved performance. This process is a bit faster than the nitrate pathway from beetroot. That's why many men notice a quicker surge in circulation and energy when they drink watermelon juice, especially about an hour or two after. In one study from the Journal of Urology, men who took natural L-citrulline supplements experienced improved erection hardness scores and satisfaction without the side effects of synthetic drugs. It's gentle, natural, and surprisingly effective when used right. The beauty of watermelon juice is that it's easy to drink, naturally sweet, and refreshing. It's the kind of support your body doesn't resist. It welcomes it. But there's one catch. Most of the L-citrulline is in the white part of the rind, not the bright red fruit. So if you want real results, you need to blend the whole slice, rind and all. That's where the magic happens. When you do, you create a fast-acting, natural performance booster that doesn't rely on chemicals or stimulants. It's your body's way of saying, I'm ready. Still, this isn't a long-lasting fix. Watermelon juice works fast, but fades just as quickly. It's like the sprinter in our Showdown, explosive at the start, but not built for the long run. So which one truly wins? The slow-burning strength of beetroot or the instant spark of watermelon? Stay with me, because the real answer might surprise you. Up next, I'll reveal the final verdict and how combining both can unlock the best of endurance and energy for men over 60. So, which one deserves the crown, the endurance-building beetroot or the fast-acting watermelon? Here's the truth. Neither wins alone. The real power comes when you use them together, strategically. Think of beetroot juice as your foundation. It strengthens your circulation day by day, improving the elasticity of your arteries and training your blood vessels to stay open longer. That's what gives you lasting stamina, not just for intimacy, but for walking, climbing, and living with energy. Now watermelon juice, that's your booster. It works faster because L-Citrulline converts to L-Arginine in just a few hours. So when you drink it about 1 or 2 hours before intimacy or exercise, it gives you that performance edge right when you need it, when combined. They form what I call the perfect pair strategy. Beetroot builds your base. Slow, steady, reliable. Watermelon gives you the spark, quick, clean, and powerful. Here's how I recommend it to my patients. Drink beetroot juice in the morning, 1 glass, preferably fresh or cold-pressed, to nourish your cardiovascular system throughout the day. Then, when you expect to be active, physically or intimately, enjoy a glass of blended watermelon juice, rind included. About 90 minutes before, it's not magic. It's biochemistry done right, a natural rhythm your body understands. And here's the best part. This combination doesn't just help you last longer, it helps you live longer. Because every improvement in blood flow, every small gain in nitric oxide strengthens not only your performance, but also your heart, your brain, and your overall vitality. But to make this strategy truly work, you need to know how to prepare these juices the right way and avoid one simple mistake that can destroy their benefits in seconds. Let's talk about Dr. Hart's 2 signature recipes, the Endurance Glass and the Quick Boost Blend. Now, let's turn knowledge into action. Here are the 2 signature recipes I give to my patients, 1 for endurance, 1 for energy. Take 1 medium beetroot, half an apple, and a small slice of fresh ginger. Juice or blend them together with half a cup of water. This combination makes beetroot's earthy flavor smoother while adding natural antioxidants from the apple and gentle thermogenic support from ginger. Drink it every morning, ideally before breakfast, to help your circulation stay active and your heart work efficiently all day. Second, the Quick Boost Blend. Cut 2 cups of watermelon, including the white rind. Add a few ice cubes and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. That's it. Blend until smooth. Drink it about 60 to 90 minutes before intimacy or physical activity. The rind contains most of the L-Citrulline, and lime enhances absorption while balancing blood sugar. One builds your foundation, the other gives you that timely lift. Together, they form a rhythm that supports you naturally. No chemicals, no pressure, just your body working the way it was meant to. But there's one mistake I see far too often. People add refined sugar or artificial sweeteners to these juices, thinking it makes them healthier. In reality, sugar destroys nitric oxide and reverses every benefit we've just built. So if you want this to work, remember my rule. Keep it pure or lose the power. So, here's what today's Showdown has taught us. Beetroot juice builds your stamina over time. It's your daily ally for stronger circulation, healthier blood pressure, and long-term endurance. Watermelon juice gives you the spark, fast-acting support that helps you perform with confidence when the moment arrives. Neither is a miracle by itself, but together, they form a partnership, a natural rhythm between foundation and energy, endurance and performance. Remember, real strength doesn't come from chasing instant fixes. It comes from giving your body the tools it needs to do what it was designed to do: circulate, energize, and thrive. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you Team Beetroot, the slow, steady builder, or Team Watermelon, the quick and fiery booster? Tell me in the comments below. Your experience could inspire another man who's still searching for hope. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more expert insights on men's vitality after 60. And don't miss my next video, where I'll reveal 3 common foods you should never eat with these juices because they silently destroy your body's nitric oxide and undo all your hard work. Trust me, you'll want to know what's on that list. I'm Dr. Evelyn Hart, helping men over 60 stay strong, confident, and full of life, the natural way. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace medical advice. Always consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or lifestyle.